Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to Survey Designing and Civil 3D video series by Murad Farooq. Dear friends, today video tutorial I will explain with very details how to design a road. In this video I am going to explain each and everything with very details. These video tutorials maybe take a time maybe up to 1 hour, but this video will help you to do and learn from only one video. You don't need to go to one to another and another to other. So in this video you can see the picture on the display. We will explain alignment, how to draw alignment, surface, how to import the points, drawing settings, and also then we draw alignment, road corridor, road surface, sample line. Then in this video we will explain regarding the profile, vertical profile, and in vertical profile I will be show how to draw and then again how to create a design profile, and you can see the profile bands. We will be explain how to set the data bands and how to create new data bands, and also I will show the design levels and proposed design levels and ground levels, how to change and how to make cut and fill difference between them. So if you watch this video from start to end 1 or 2 times, then you can able to draw a simple road design for any client or for any freelance market or for your company. You can do it very easily. My suggestion is that watch this video 1 to 2 times, then you can able to draw this. You can see the some highlights picture from the video. You can see the cross section. I will show how to draw the cross section for each change, and I will show this very detail, and in the last of video I will show how to create plan production, how to create sheets from your design and profile. Please must watch, like and subscribe. Okay, let's start dear friends. We need to go to drawing utilities. From here we need to select our drawing setting. We need to change our drawing setting according to our coordinate system. Go to this option and select drawing setting. From here just I wanted to zoom this one. We need to select from here the unit, and from here we need to select our datum or projection country. You can select in which country you are working. Okay, select the country, and from here you need to select coordinate system, your zone, UTM, adding one zone in where you are working, apply and OK. Now your drawing setting is changed. You can start your work. First of all, we will check our unit. Just press UN and select your unit. Unit is definitely good because we already corrected. This is our drawing setting. Select from here your unit. Okay, let's OK. And now, if your tools is off, you can turn on from this option. Just select on this. You can turn on from this one. And from here you can import your points from this option, and also you can import from your tools. Just you can see the points option. If you right click on this one, then you able to see create. From there you can create your points. See this one. Okay, and from here you also select this one, create points, and select and this click on this import points. Once you click on this, you can import your points easily. Just click and from here you need to select add files. You can see this option. Okay, click on this and search your location where your file is saved with you and your computer. Okay, select this one, and here you need to select all files. You can import your CSV or text file. Okay, and also look on your files in which format is your file. Suppose my format is in point, easting, northing and elevation, space delimited. You can see this one. Just click. Now your points will be import. Okay, let's wait. The data is hide. Need to intersect space bar and a space bar. Your points is here. Your totally points is import. Points is here. This is the data which we pick from the site, and as per this data we can design our road. You can say this is the as-built data. Okay, and you need to go to this option, surfaces. From here you need to create your surface. First of all, we need to create our NGL, natural ground level, and from here you can select the surface style. Suppose I need to select this one, contour 1 meter and 5 meter design, and click on this, and again OK. Now if you click on this plus button, you can see your surface from here very easily, and go to this definition. Okay, just I wanted to explain this thing. Plus, here again plus, here you need to go to this option, then you can find the points group. From here we will be add our points. If you click right and add the points, you can see your all points which you import and apply. Now your this points is stored in your surface which you create on the name of ENGL. Okay, and also you see your contour is draw on your points. Now you can edit surface style. From here you can edit. If you want to do any change, you can change from here. From the display you can change the colors, you can turn on, and any things you can show you. If you see the triangles, if you turn on this, turn off, definitely the change you will be see very clearly. If you need, just click, you can see this one. This is the direction, slope directions, levels, anything you can see very easily and with detail. Okay, this one you can see slopes. This is slopes and slopes arrows. Now you are able to see the arrows where is your slope is going. Any kind of change you can do in your surface. I wanna just to zoom this one. You can see it's very easily. And which detail I am going to explain, you will never find a lecture on YouTube like that. And now we need to close this all as per our purpose. We don't need this because we are going to, this is the watershed, because we are going to explain how to design our road. Apply, and from information you can change the name from here if you want to change. And this is the border, this is the border setting, this is the contour setting. You can make from here contour, your contour smooth. You can change your contour intervals. From here this is 1 meter and 5 meter. It's mean major interval is 1 meter, minor sorry, and the major interval is 5 meter. If you want to change this, you can change, and from here you can change your contour smoothing. But first of all you need to select here from true, false to true, then you can able to make it smoothing. Okay, click this one, true, and from here now you can see this is able. You can see your contour is smooth now. Okay, and apply, and from here you can select the grids, triangles, watersheds analysis, display summary, any kind of information if you need, you can do very easily. Let's apply this and click on OK button. Okay, now your surface, your points and your contour is ready. Just click on this and go to this option and add labels. From here you can add your labels. Go to this option and go to the surface. Okay, surface, we need to do some changing in the surface, and go to the contour multiple at interval. Just click. Okay, and you can select here, click here and click here. You can enter your interval on which change you need and how much spacing you need the interval. This is the interval along with contour. You can see on 100 with right. You see this one, you can draw on 50 as per your requirement. You can draw your interval. Okay, so this is the common things which we need to do in our contours. Okay, okay, you can see our surface and all setting is now done very well. So the next step is that we will be draw our alignment. Okay, we will draw our alignment. Just simply go to this option, to the alignment option. Okay, click on alignment creation tools from here, and this pop-up menu is open. You can add the alignment name here. Suppose this is the alignment ABC, and from here you can select the change, starting change, and here you need to select label, all label, any one option as per your requirement you can select. We select all labels and click on OK button. Now you see these tools, alignment layout tools is open. Okay, go to this option. We need to open this, need to close the triangles. Okay, here we have 3. Suppose we have 3 roads. 2 is the small service roads and 1 is the main road. Okay, this one is the service roads and this one is the main road. Now click here and select the second option. This one, you can see here is 3 options. We need to select straight with curve and select your area where you need to draw your alignment. Okay, click where you need to draw, you can click. Okay, just click. This is the example. If you need, you can do it very proper and as per your requirement and as per your corridor. Okay, now you can see your changes. Your alignment is drawn off very well. If you need to do some change, you can do your change from here, and you can just click here and you can move your alignment left to right or any place you can make it to move. Suppose we need to move here to right or left, we can move it very easily. Okay. But if you want to check and some changing, you want to do some changing, just go to this option, edit alignment level, and from here you can change the changes. You can see this one, your change is on 20 meters. If you want to change, you can change. If you need on 25 or 50, you can change from here. Then again select the alignment and go to edit alignment. From here you can add this option. If you want to add, you can add any option from here. Okay, and you can also import label set, and from here you can select the major changes. Okay, and you can add from here very easily. And here you can also import. If you have any label set, you can import, or if you create your new, then you can save from here, or you can delete, you can add. Okay, just apply and click OK button. You can see this one is add here. You can delete from here and you can apply and OK. Now the details is here. If you want to draw the alignment on the other one road, you can do the same procedure. You can select it from here. Just go to the alignment, same, and click this one and give here alignment ABC2. The all properties is same, which I explained the first one with the details. You can click and you can select here. Just click. Okay, go here and start clicking from here to here. Just click. This one is your second alignment for the service road is also draw. Okay, you can reduce the scale from here if it's not clear. Now you will be see it's very easily. This is 200-meter service road on the right side, and maybe 140 or 150 meter will be on the left side. Select this third one. We need to draw the third alignment and go to the same option and select the option which okay, and just you need to click and your alignment will be definitely draw. This is the rough alignments which I am going just to explain to you guys. If you want to do a proper job, you must need to do take care how the alignment is going, how the alignment curve will be effect, and how you need to maintain this thing. Later I am going to explain this everything details. Okay, now alignment is ready. We already created 3 alignments. The next step we will be create the, now you can see on the display there is the 3 alignment. One is for the main road, and the second one is for the service road, which one is on our right side up to 200 meter, and the third one is on the left side. We have 3 alignment, and we will create 3 profile for this 3 alignment. Okay, but later we will be do just work on one profile. Just here I am going to explain how to create the profile. Go to the profile and select this is create surface profile, and also you create this all kind of profiles which is your requirement, which is your project requirement. I already uploaded too much videos on separate, but in this one I will be explain the main, which we are going to explain from the create surface profile. If you need to see others I uploaded different videos in the playlist, you can see. So we need to select this create profile from surface. We have first of all we need to go to create the profile on alignment ABC. We need to select the surface from here. You can see if you have the different surface here, then you can select as per your requirement which one is need and select, and then you need to go to draw. But we have only one surface here for this 3 alignment. Just we need to click on this, and here the pop-up menu will be open. From here you can select your alignment on which you are going to draw your profile. Okay, and from here you can select different option, but we need to remain its profile view, and click on next. And here is the automatic, this is the automatic start and end. If you need to change this specified from one challenge to another challenge, you can do also. And this is also the height, this is the automatic height. If you want to do this user specified, you can change by yourself user. And here there is the next thing, profile display. Okay, you can change this one, but we don't need to change. Usually this will be the same remain. This is the data boxes. If you need these boxes on the top, you can select this on the top. If you need on the bottom, you can select on the bottom. And from here you can see the hatches. The hatches I will be explain this later. Hatching is for the cut and fill. Now we click this is okay, our thing is finished. We click on origin and our profile is created now. Okay, you can see it's very easily, very clear. Your profile is drawn. Okay, here you can see the changes and your levels. Okay, and you need to select this all. Just click this one, just select this all. Okay, and go to edit profile. From here you can change your profile view, your grid, and everything, each and everything you can change from here. Just I think some levels is missing, or any problem may be happening with my file. This is problem with my file, not with on the software. You just suppose this, click there and edit profile view. You can select here, you can change your grid view. See this one. Okay, now your profile view is look pretty good. And the next step we will be definitely go to create our design profile, but we need to do some changing again. Here information changes and this thing, if you want you can select this option also. If you want to start and end changes, you can also select this. Okay, maximum height and minimum height, which I explained before drawing the profile. You can select this profile view, bands, hatches. This things is coming and next steps will be explained with detail, but here is the only look. And here you can select this existing ground and the other bands setting. Okay, just we don't, you can see the levels. If you see the levels will be definitely the same. If we go there, if you need to import your bands, you can import, and if you want to create your new bands, data bands, you can create from here. Later I will explain the detail how to create the bands. Okay, profile data or vertical geometry or super elevation bands, you can able to learn in this video. I will explain few bands. Once you learn this how to create, you can create all the bands same as it is, which I will explain. And from here you can edit the hatches. Hatches is for which purpose? Suppose you need to show the cut and fill area in red and blue hatches, you can show it very easily. And if you need to go to the properties, from here you can see the properties. And then again we need to the profile view style. From here we can go to the graph, we can select the graph. Okay, and from here we can select the grid. If you need to show grids, less increasing the grids quantity, you can increase very easily. This is the title annotation. You can see how much is the text height. You can change the text height from here. and from here you can center, left, right, you can change. And this is the horizontal axis which you see. If you need to change the challenges, on which challenges showing your details, you can do it. This is with the 20 meter interval and external. This is the vertical grade. If you want to change the vertical heights, which you see on the left side, which my icon is going, you can change from here. Here is the display. A lot of things you can make it hide, you can make it able to turn on your some layers in this. Okay, so this is the summary. I hope you guys understand from this thing. Little bit I am doing quick because this is a very lengthy video. I am trying to finish as well as soon possible. Try to understand. And the next, we need to draw the next profile on the same way which I explained the first one. We need to draw profile on the ABC2 alignment, which is the service route on the right. Next click and next click and next click, create and draw. You can see, oh, your small route profile is created now. Now we will go to do the same thing with the ABC3 alignment. Okay, and same thing, create, next. Now select your origin. Oh, your third baby. Sorry, I do a mistake here. Okay, let me delete this one. Delete this one. Okay, go again, create surface profile and select from here your third alignment, ABC. And before I forgot to add the surface NGL, don't do a mistake like me, be careful. Next, create profile. Okay, very good, click here. Now your profile is done very well. Your 3 profile and 3 alignment is done very well. Okay, I hope guys from to here you understand everything. If anyone you have question, please throw a comment, your question in comment box. I will try to explain. And the next, you can see we are going to draw a design profile. Okay, select this one, create profile, new profile. Okay, DP, suppose this is a design profile. You can enter the name. Okay, design profile ABC. Now you see profile layout tools is open. You can open this is from the profile tools. Okay, just come to the draw, this one, second option, draw straight with curves. Okay, just select this one option, curves, yes, curves, or this one. Okay, now we need to draw our design profile. Okay, be sure our existing profile is drawn or draw already. No, this is the design profile. As you need, as your requirement, you can draw this very easily. Okay, click and click. How much cutting, how much filling you want to do, you can select this one. This is just example to explain. Okay, and click. Now you are able to see the details here, but we need to reduce our scale to make it very clear. Okay, now it's very clear. Okay, now it's very clear. You can see, you can do some changing from here with easily. You can do changing if you want to move here to here. Okay, and just let me explain this one. Here you can see your channel and your K values, each details of your profile geometries will be displayed here on the top of this. If you need to go to the profile geometry, you can select here, and this thing is common. just go to here, and from here you can select this one. Yeah, this these options regarding the geometry, and from here if you see profile grid view, you can see the profile grid view, and which is your profile curve length and K value, curve radius. You can see this is the details. Okay, and already which is mentioned in the profile, which on the top of each changes you can see here. I wanted to zoom. Yeah, this. Okay, this one same change you can see also in the table. If you go to the next one, it will be the same detail. Okay, now see this one 55879. You can see the K value, length, and everything is the same. This is a self-created table for the geometry. Okay, and seg, this is seg and crest values. Okay, I think hope you guys understand regarding these things. This is nothing to do. This is the layout parameters. You can change, you can add. This is by self, but we don't need to do and explain this. Edit best fit data. If you have the data, you can edit, and if you need to delete any element, you can delete. If you need to extend it any intensity, you can extend. Okay, if you go to this the next option, select VAP, and from here you can select PVI based and entity based, and from here this option you can see copy profile. You can copy your profile. From this option you can check your VAP rise or low. Okay, and this one is the option draw fixed points, which you need to, if you want to draw any points fixed, you can draw. And we need to close this one. I hope you guys just understand these things. The same thing, the same design profile we will be create in this. Go to this profile and select the profile data and give it to the DP2 and create again same. Okay, and go to this option, select the second one with curve and click where you need the option. Okay, click and click. Okay, so go to the other one. We need to draw the same profile on the other. Go to the profile and select profile creation tools, and just give the name here DP. I think this one is third. Yeah, this one is third. Go to the same option, and we need to draw on the ABC3 profile. Okay, click here and click here. Sometime you need to see if there is much cutting and filling you need to maintain. Suppose if you need fillings, you need to maintain your cutting, then your current cutting material will be go inside your project. This thing is very common. Try to understand. Suppose you have 30 cubic meter cutting, and you need to try to do this up to 25 to 30 filling, so it will be going good. Okay, now some things we need to change the levels. We have the same levels in the bands. Profile 1 is the same, and also profile 2 is the same. We need to change. In the profile 1 we need to select the NGL, and in the profile 2 we need to select the design level. Okay, so now you can see the levels will be definitely change, and you can see these things. Okay, you can see now before is the same. Here is shown only the NGL levels, but now we change from the band setting. Now the levels is changed already. 95.293, and the band is now shown. For this one is also you do the same process. go to profile view properties, and from here you can change for the profile 1 and profile 2. You can change in the profile 1 set NGL, and the other one is you can set the other one design level, and you can see level is changed. And do also same for this. Just click here and right click and go to profile view properties and go to this option and change here the design. Okay, now you can see your R level is changed. In the band you will be able to see the existing ground levels and the design level. Okay, later in next steps we will explain bands. Now you need to go to select profile view properties. Okay, go to the band. We need to go to add our own bands, but for this purpose we need to delete the existing band because we are going to create our own bands. This is very important section. Okay, if once you learn how to create your own bands, you can able to do all. Now you can see or a current or a default band is now deleted. Okay, go to this option, and from here you need to just focus. I want to zoom it and create new. Okay, go to this create new, and this is little bit complicated, but once you focus on this and see this one, you can easily understand it. Go to the information. Here you need to enter the name. Okay, suppose we need to enter the design. Okay, design, just select this one and copy. Okay, go to this option band details, and here is you can see this is compose label. You need to go to the compose label. Okay, and here is also compose label. First of all we need to go to this compose labels. Okay, and here we need to just Control V before we copy the name. Control V, and from here you can select the options. We need to select this is middle center. Okay, select this one is middle center, and here you can enter the height as per your requirement. Let me just put 5.5, and also here select middle center and go to the contents and click on these three dots. The some things we need to change to go inside, and click on this three dot. Okay, let me click and go here, select this one, select this all and delete. Okay, and Control V, which we copy. This is the name. Okay, and from here you can change the color as per your requirement. You can change the color. Which color do you need? You can change and click on apply, and okay, now your first step is okay. You can see the band height. You can select the band height of 50, 75, as much as you need, as much is your text height. You can select it like that. So let me put this 75 and 50 and go to the compose label, to the other one option which I marked initially. Just delete the first and Control V, which we initially copied. Control V, the design name is display. Go to this three dot, this option. Here you can see this one, contents. Again the same step which we do for the first compose label option, and just click on this. It is a little bit complicated. You need to just select this one and delete this one, and from here you need to select the profile level 1 or profile level 2, which one you enter in your bands, and where is your design, because we are going to explain the design level. So click on this arrow button and click OK. Okay, go here and here select the option, delete this and arrow button. Okay, and from here you can select this option, how much after point you need the digit, 2, 3 or 4, it should be provided to you. Okay, click here, you can select colors and click on apply and okay, and here you can select text height, apply and okay. Now we need to go to display to turn on some layers. From here we need to turn off some unnecessary layers. Suppose we need to turn off this all and we need to turn on this one, the major tick, and here this 4 start bend border, bend title and major ticks. We need to turn on this and this one. So need to apply and okay. From here you need to add this option. Our band is ready, just we need to add in our profile and apply and okay. So let me just add from here and you need to put this okay and apply and okay. Now you can see your band is added to your profile. Now your first design band is ready. Okay. Sorry. Now we need to click again and need to add our next existing band. Go to the same procedure, profile view properties, and from here you need to select create new and here go to the information and enter the name of band. Suppose we need to enter this as existing band, so copy this name. Later if you copy, it's very easy to paste in the some steps. Go to the compose label and paste here the name which we copied earlier and here middle center. From here you can select the text height for and here go to the content and delete the first one and enter the name and okay. So select here middle center, okay, apply and okay. Now the first step is clear. We need to enter here the band height and band width, okay, and go to the third step, compose labels, okay, delete this name and paste the name which we copied earlier, and here you need to go to this 3 dot in the content and delete this one, and from here you need to select the profile 2 level and here you can select the digit after the point. Suppose we need to select these 3 and click on apply and here you need to enter the text height, apply and okay. Now we need to go to the display in the same procedure, turn off these unnecessary layers. The one is remain 5 layers, we need to remain open first 4 and this one label it major change. And now we need to do the same procedure, add and okay. So from here you need to apply and okay. Now your existing band is open, but the problem is that there is nothing, no any data. You need to go to the edit. From here you can edit the same band which where we add. Go to this option and create edit current section. This is plus point for you. You can change if you need to do some changing. The same thing is open. Go to the compose label here and click on 3 dots. From here we forgot to add this profile. You need to you don't need to forget this. Suppose you need to click on the arrow and apply and okay. Be careful, don't forget like me which I do mistake. You need to must click on the arrow, then your data will be show here. Now you can see your proposed design levels and existing level is created now. Okay, but the you see the levels is same. Need to go to the profile From here is the important point, because in our both band the level is same. We need to change in the first band. Suppose we need to enter NGL, and in the second band we need to enter the design levels. Now you can see your level is changed. In the first one is the design, and in the second one is the existing. Okay, now we need to go. The second step is that we will be add or cut and fill band, and the same procedure. Just go to this one, profile view properties, and from here you can select new, and here enter the name, cut and fill, and copy the name same as before we do this. Okay, go to the band details, go to the first step, compose level, and from here I paste the name which you copy before, and here middle center, and here from the three dot you can just delete this one and paste the name which you copy, and click on the arrow button, you must click. Okay, and here enter the text height 5.5 and apply. Okay, here you need to enter the 50 meter and 75 meter. This is the text band height and band width. And from the third step, again we need to go to the labels. Here we need to enter the name, and from here with the three dot you need to delete this option and to go to the from profile 1 to profile 2. This is the important step, profile 1 to profile 2, and paste. Click on arrow and select digit, and here you need to apply. Here you can also change the text height. Okay, and okay. From here display you need to turn off some necessary points like this, and turn off the unnecessary layers and apply. Okay, and from here you need to enter same as before we do the process, and here you need to apply, and okay. Now you can see the band is added, but the data is 0, 0, 0. So the thing is that we need to go to again the same procedure, profile view properties, and from here this is the third band which we had. We need to change in the first profile is NGL, in the second design, then your difference will be display in your cut and fill band. Okay, now you can see your differences here with your cut and fill. All differences here, where is required the cutting and where is required the filling. You can see the H's which I told you, I will explain before, the red and blue, it's mean cutting and filling. Now we need to go to again to the property. We will add the last one band which is called stationing. We will show our station. Here you need to enter the name station, but maybe this one is added before, so it will be not support. Okay, you can see the option. Just we need to enter station 1. Station 1. Okay. And copy this name. Copy the name and go to the band details, compose labels, paste the name here. The same process, and go to the middle center. From here 3 dot you need to delete the first one and paste the name of the band, and okay. And here the text height as per your requirement. Here you need to select the middle. From here you can select the color, but we don't need to select. Apply, and okay. Here go to the this one option, compose label, and delete the first name and paste the other one which you copy earlier. And here you need to, this one is the most important step. From here you need to select the changes and must click on the arrow. Okay, and okay, if when you click on the arrow your requirement is added. So here you can change also the height 5.5 and apply. Okay, apply, and okay, here you need to change the bend height and bend width. Okay, now the step is go to display to turn off some unnecessary layers, because we don't need to display the unnecessary layers. The 5 layers which I explained in the first step, we need to turn on the first steps. Okay, apply and okay. Now you need to go to the add button and go to OK and apply and OK button. Now you can see your stationing is 8. Okay, 20 or once two station is extra added, we need to turn off this two stationing. Just start and end, uncheck this 2 point on the bend. Okay, and apply and okay. Now your station is start in the extra is removed. For 2020 is our stationing, you can see very well. Oh, this is the problem over this height. This bend is, we need to increase this length. You can see, just go to this bend, to the cut and fill bend, and go to the edit current section. You can change, because the yes, yeah. Okay, 60 and anyone you can change the heights. Okay, and go here also. No need to change this. Okay, compose middle center, this one is also okay. Apply and okay. Okay, 50 and 75 and apply. Okay, okay, apply and okay. Now you can see there was the problem in the middle center. We not select the middle center, so when we select the middle center, the text is coming to the center. Now you can see your all bands is ready, same as you can edit the other bands, geometry bands and super elevation band. Okay, in this step we will be create surface or alignment. We need to go first of all to the assembly. First we will be create our assembly from here, then we will be create our surface. Just see, this is the important step. You can create your assembly from here. And just enter the name of assembly. Here suppose we need to enter AB assembly, and here you need to select basic, and here all code and okay. So select the place where you need to create. Okay, and here you need to go to this option. Yeah, this one, tool palettes. This one is the assembly tool palettes, or you can enter Control 3. Sorry, select this option. Your tool says open. From here you can see basic, lane, corridor, seg, custom, shoulder, curves, daylight, and you can also customize your assembly, which one you import from the outsource. And here is curves. Okay, here is daylight. This all detail we will explain later one by one. Okay, assembly basic. First of all we need to go to the lane. Yes, lanes, and from lanes we need to select the first one, this one, lane super elevation AOR. As per your requirement you can select the lanes. Okay, here is the shoulder, daylight. We will be explaining these few steps. Click here and you can see here the instruction in the command bar, and that replaced. Okay, just click here at the center. Okay, and if you need to double lane, you need to click here again on this option, Okay, now your tool lane is created, and if you need to add your shoulder, just go to the shoulder and select as per your requirement shoulder option. Just let me select the first one. Go to the daylight. If you want to add the daylight, I am going to select the daylight journal and click here. Here is the properties. Okay, later I will explain the properties. So click. Now your daylight is here. Okay, and the properties also here. When you click on this and go to property or control one, your property will be display here. How much is the requirement, how much is your slope, is your project specification, you can enter. Okay, let me select these three options and go to the mirror command. We need to add this is on the left side and click here. Okay, now you can see your double lane is on one side and double lanes is on another side. Let close this option. And the one important thing is that you can see here the property, your depth of subbase and base. You can see this one, subbase, how much depth is your project, base, subbase, pavement and wearing course, and width of your one carriageway, super elevation, cross lane, cross slope. These all details you can enter in the property. Suppose you need to enter the one and lane width, and you need to enter your wearing course 10-15 centimeter, base, anyone width you can enter in this properties. Okay, here you can change the cross slope. You can see this. Okay, you can see the slope is changed where we enter this one. We change just for the first lane, as same as you can change for the second one, and the slope will be smooth. Here you can change the depth of your pavement and pavement 1 and pavement 2, and here you can change the depth of your base and sub base as per your requirement. Just 20 centimeter, 15 centimeter, you can change these are. Okay, so you can see, and now it's okay the slope. Before I change, just for your confirmation, and now we need to do the step. Our assembly is ready, and the next step we will go to, okay, just select this option on this one. Okay, now we will create our surface on the same corridor. Okay, corridor surface. For this purpose, just close this option and go to the corridor. First of all, we need to add our corridor. Okay, and select this corridor option from here. This pop-up menu is open in front of you. You need to change the name. Suppose we need to enter our corridor AB. Here is the basic. From here you can select the layer, and here is the alignment. On which alignment you want to draw your corridor, because we have 3 alignment. We need to add our first one, and here if you have much surfaces you can select, and the levels we need to select the design profile and assembly AB, and which assembly, if you have view assembly which we create before, you can select your current assembly, and here you need to select the NGL and press OK. This pop-up menu is open. Here is some information which we need to clear in this session. Go to this option, the frequency, and set all targets. Click on this. Here is some few information as per your requirement. You can change. Here is curve increment if you want to change this, and here is along straights, and the other option is view sum. You can change from here, and also you need to go to set all targets. Here is some few points. If this one is not as per your requirement, you can change from here: target surface, width target, and width target, shoulder width target. You can change this right to left and left to right is your requirement, and you can change this. Apply. Now this message is in front of you. Rebuild the corridor. If you click on this, your corridor will be rebuilt. The corridor definition has been modified and needs to be rebuilt. And click on this option. You can see rebuild. Here is some errors. We need to close these errors. Click, and if you go to the alignment, your corridor is done. You can see your corridor. This is your road corridor. That's mean the road corridor is that how much is your road width, which you create the assembly. It's mean this is your road width and corridor. As per your assembly, your corridor will be built. Before corridor, you must should to draw and create your assembly. Go again to select this your road corridor and go to the object view. We will see our model, road model. From here you can change the difference option. This is the object viewer. You can see this is realistic, and this is X-ray, and this is shade, and here is you can left to right and left to bottom, top. You can see all the views from here. This is the object viewer, and the next step we will be play and see how our cut fill is looking. This is a good step, interesting. Go to this drive. We need to see our road surface, how it will be looking, and how is our cutting and filling. Okay, let me select this option. Okay, yeah, draw you, and again okay, select this option, and okay, and now you can see when you click on this play or push, you can start from here. It will take now you can see this is your road corridor which you create, and from here you can easily see where is your cutting, where is your filling, where is your finish level. This is your road corridor. Very important, these things easily you can see. Okay, you can stop and close. This is from the option which you see on the screen top. Okay, very interesting this thing. Let's close this one. I close this. Okay, hope you guys understand from this. Now we need to select this and go to this option, selection editor, where I want to show just something. Go this option and edit view port. From here you need to select vertical, here you need to select the plan, and here you need to select the section. Now you can see your section view of your road corridor. If you click on the corridor, you can see this is your view of a section for your road corridor. You can see this edge and everything, how much is the average on left and right, and from the one is 0 is the center, and left and right is the width and levels up to where. Okay, in this step we will be create our corridor surface. All the things our requirement is finished, so we need to add a corridor surface to our corridor. Let me just click here. Here is, you can see when I do zoom here. Okay, select this one, and you can see from here the corridor surface. We will add our corridor surface from here, from this option. Go to this and click. The pop-up menu is on. Here is surfaces and boundaries. On these two options we will be explain this. Okay, and go to this option, the first one, surfaces, and here you can see create a corridor surface. Click and your surface is added, and from here you can select this top links. Okay, let me click this, and from here again you need to add. The plus button is meant to add. Select here the datum. Okay, the datum is here and the plus button is here. Okay, and click and top link and add. Click this tick mark, and here you can enter the boundaries. This is our corridor AB, and go to add automatically to this option. Daylight, you need to select the daylight option from here. Okay, now this is edit to your surface and apply for here, and here you can see the message rebuild corridor surface. If you once click, your corridor surface will be created. Okay, and click this and apply and okay. Now you can see here your corridor surface is added to your corridor. Okay, the next step we will go to the sample line. Or other step is cleared. We will be edit our sample line. The sample line we need to create on the alignment ABC. Sample line, if you create the sample line, each sample line you can create your section and you can view your cut and fill details. Here into the sample line name, suppose SL1, and from here you need to select this is finish ground and okay, again okay. The pop-up is open, and from here you need to go to this small icon, and here select by range of changes and click on this one, and here you need to enter your changes range. How much is your changes range? Suppose this is 20 meter, 25 meter width. You can change as per your cross section detail which is required to you. Okay, where you create your sample line, on the each sample line later we will create our cross section, and you can check the cross section detail, cut and fill on each cross section, and easily you can calculate your volumes from there. Here you need to select the start and end with true option before it's with the false. Apply and okay, and now you can see your sample line is created on each change. Okay, on the same change you can also get the cross section. Without sample line you cannot create your cross section, cannot able to create, and our sample line is here throughout our alignment. Changes are each 20 meters. Okay, this one and this option. A very important step. In this step we will be create our cross section. This is the important step. On each sample line which we create before, we will be create our cross section on each change on 20 meter. Okay, This is a sample line. Go to the option, let me zoom. Okay, this is the section view. Here is create multiple views, and here is create section view. If you need on each change, you need to select the first one option. If you need on only one, you can create one section. You can see here if the details is here. Okay, here you will see the same thing. We will follow our process. Very important. And click. Now the pop-up menu is open. Here you need to select your alignment and which alignment you need. Definitely we have only one alignment. We have three, but we create our sample line on one alignment, and we have the sample line group 1. If you have few, you can select your sample line on which you want to draw your cross section. Here is the automatic option on which channel to which channel you need the cross section. If you need, so you can select this is as per your requirement and user specified change to change, but we need to on all, and then select the automatic option. Okay, here is section view name, you can select here description, and here you can add the layer, and here we need to select road section and next. Okay, this is the option. From here you can select the scale, layout scale, and you can click OK, and this option, this one. Okay, we can also select this user specified, and here you can select left to right how much you need, and the details automatic, and next, and here you can user specified, enter this one. Okay, and automatic, and next. Okay, here you see these all details. If you want, you can change this. Go to the corridor AB, this one, and select the finish ground from here. Okay, here you need to enter finish existing ground, the first one, and here basic. Sorry. Okay, and now you need to click this one. Assembly is view edit. We need to enter assemblies as a view edit. Okay, and click on next, and from here you can select select band set, but we don't have any band set. We will create it later. Here you can see from the command menu, select your origin where you need to draw your cross sections. Okay, go to this option and click. You can see your all cross section for each channel is created and draw. Okay, you can see the slope. This is all the details which we enter earlier in our assembly, or cross slope, and our width of base, base, and pair 1, pair 1, 2. This is all the things. We need to do some changes in our view. Just go to the section view properties or edit section view properties. This is the few step which we need to do, and also you can do this is from here. Go to the here you can change the name, offset, levels, and section. And from the other option, edit section view properties, you can change the information, graph and grid, title notation. This all information is here. You need to change this one. Click this and copy. You can see your grid graph is display on whole cross section. And here you can change this left and right along maximum levels, so it's mean it will be added one by one, but we need to remain it on 0. The before view is okay. Now we need to click again this one, apply and okay. When you go to the title annotation, from here you can do some changes like text height, top and right and bottom, and this some changes. X-axis title, which will be display and which option. Okay, and here you can select the horizontal axis. In horizontal axis you can change the interval between the 2 points here to here from 0 to 5 and 5, 10. You can select if you enter 5, it will be definitely on 5. If you need to enter 10, it will be definitely on the 10. Okay, and here you can select the tick size, and in the vertical you can change the vertical distance from here to here. Okay, just suppose enter here 2, 3 or 4 and apply. Now it will be definitely changed, you can see. Okay, this is now on 4 meter. No need to enter same, sorry, 10. Apply and okay, this will be changed automatically. This is some basic change. And go again to this option, vertical axis display. From here you can change your graph colors, your text color, your title colors, anyone need. You can change the color, you can turn on the layers, you can turn off the any unnecessary things. Left axis colors you can change. If you do your own practice on this, you can be able how to change the colors and boxes. It's very easy and simple. Okay, we just need to change some colors and apply and okay. Click on OK button. Your change in colors is display now. Okay. Now we need to go to select to this view, edit group, and go to the information. Here is array, plot area, display, summary. This is the other group plot style. And then I go on again, go to this option, yeah, this one, and section view. Okay, here just let me clear this option. If you close this NGL and corridor AB and corridor ABC, your assembly things will be closed. If you click apply, your this option will be hide. You can see because we uncheck this, and if you uncheck this surface, your surface will be yeah, this one. Let me just select, click this one and apply. Now your thing is display same as before. From edit view you can change the different look of your assembly. Suppose you need basic, it will be shaded and label is hide now. Okay, and here we need to select this all codes. It will be display again the same as apply, and it will be okay. From here you can also select this view and edit, then it will be same as that before, and apply. Okay, now your cross section is okay, and click on OK. This is just for the information if you need anytime as per your requirement. From here just go to the section, and from here you can add your bends as per your requirement to the each cross section. Suppose EG elevation and FG elevation, from here you can add. Suppose we need to add, and you can also create your own bands, which I explain with the profile bands. And here you can also select the FG elevation bands, and you can apply this and okay, apply and okay. Yeah, now you can see, but this is your existing elevation. We have few points in our data, 3 points. That's why the sum level is created. Go to the update group layout because we need to update, so it will be look pretty good. And here we need to go again because we need to change our sum levels in existing and in proposed, because this is looking same. In one we need to enter the NGL, in other we need to enter the design level. Then all levels will be looking well. Okay, apply and okay. Yes, here apply and okay. Click on okay. Yes, from here you can select this corridor and NGL, play and okay, play and okay. Now your layout is updated, and this one is just for one. For the other is you can do as a group. When you do as a group, it should be changed in all. Okay. And go to the view group properties, edit group properties, and here you can select this plot area, display summary, and close this option. We need to go again to property, section view property, and go to this option, offset. Here you can check the level range if you need, and also here is the profile. From profile you can add these things, and here is the change volume table. If you need to add your volume table to your section, you can change, but first you need to assign your material from here, then you can able to add. Okay, and here you can enter and okay. So the next step is go to a section here and go to the basic. From here you can go to array, display summary. Okay. Okay, your all section view is now created. Our detail is here. The last option is we will create our plan and production. We will create our sheets. I deleted some few steps. Just I wanted to show to how to do the plan and production. We will bring this on the same sheets, and we will create different sheet for this purpose. Go to this option to the output, and again you need to go to the create view frames, and from here you can create your view frames. Click on this option and go to this. From here you can select your alignment. Definitely we have 3 alignment, and we need to create, this is on the alignment first, which one is our main road ABC, and here you can select this as user specified or automatic, but we need to remain this same as with automatic, because we need for the total alignment plan and sheets. And this is the important things. You can select this plan and profile from here. If you need only a plan, you can select only plan. If you need only profile, you can select profile, but we need both of them. the one sheet and one page. And template, here you can select the template from here and just go select the scale, or you need to go to these three dots. From there you can import your template. Go to the plan and production option. This one is the Civil 3D folder, and go to the metric one because we are doing work in meters. Go to the 3D metric plan and production. Let me select this one and click apply, and here you need to select your scale, and which scale you need. Suppose you need to select 1 into 500. Okay, and click on OK button. And from here you need can select this view frame, rotate to north or along with alignment. We need to select along with alignment. And the next step, here you can enter the name. Here is description, here is layer, and here again name and basic. Okay, here you need to select the basic one. Okay, and here you need to remain it same as it is, top left, and next with this. Okay, again next, come back, and this one is okay. Just we need to do some change here and create frame. Now you can see your frame is created here. Here is your some matches. Where is your frame, and the same frame your detail will be in one sheet. Here is your mesh line, and this mesh line you can move as per your requirement. If you want to fix on some specific change from where it need to start, then you can change this. Once you click, you can move this very easily from one place to another. Okay, suppose we need to click here. You can move it right or left. From here, from this icon you can select here. You can move your mesh line from here to here, but we don't need to move. And you can set it per your required change. Okay, also you can move this, and from here to right to left, and you can set it as a change. So now this our frame is created. We need to create our sheets on this in the same frames. Go to create sheet and click. Here we need to do some changes. The pop-up menu is here. Just select this first one, and all you need to on all, or you need how much is number of sheets. For each sheet will be number. If you need to do 10 numbers, 10, but if you need to do one number, we need only one copy. And here this is important, you need to need new drawings, or you need to add this is in the current drawing which one is open. This is the important step. We need this is in the layout which one is open already. Here you need to select the layout name, and here select the north. Okay, select north and click on next. Here is, you can see this option will stay. From here you can select this option, and where you need this one. Okay, we don't need to change this. And next. Okay, here is the thing, align. This one is alignment, and here align profile and plan view at start, or you need to align profile view and start its center. It should be starting from center. It will be start align profile and end. It will be start with the end. It will be move to the end. But we need to select the first one option to the start and create sheet. Once this one is open, the complete process current drawing will be saved. Your drawing will be saved if you click on the OK button. Okay, click OK. Now you can see in the option, just profile view, okay, and click here. Now you see your process is start and your sheet is created here. You can see on the bottom. Okay, we created our sheets. Here you can see, and graphs, everything we created very well. Okay, now we need to do just some changing to make it clear. Just select the graph and go to profile view properties. Okay, from here you can change this information, challenges, levels, profile. You can change this automatic or user specified range. Then here you can enter, and here you can check the levels. If the graph is not show, you can show from here, from the automatic and from this option. This is the band details. From here you can add the bands. Suppose we need to add our bands here. This is just for the example. From here click on add, and then again select any other, and again click on add. Okay, and then again click and add the last one and apply, and okay. Now you can see your band is created like your profile which we created before. Okay, now we need to go again to the setting, profile view, set properties, and from here we need to add some labels. From the labels option, go here and add some labels from this option. Add, the measure is add already. Add this one, horizontal geometry points, and seg, crest. You can add any kind of label on your profile because there is no any label is show on the sheets. Apply and okay. Now you can see your label is applied very clearly. You can see this is your sheets and everything is applied very clearly. Okay, here is our sheets. This one, this is sheet number 1, sheet number 2, 3, 4, 5. All sheet is created very clearly. This is your alignment, and this one is your, and here you can add your company names. Just click here. You can add the project name, details, who is the one to create this, any kind of information you can put here. Suppose this is road project ABCD, and for the next you can give the next option like that, and enter here, delete these hashes and enter the name for the, okay, suppose this again which you want to give, ABCD or any name you can give. Okay, you can see on the right the text is added in the box. Okay, okay, and enter here again XYZ, anything you can enter as per your project requirement, your project specification, names, codes, project codes you can enter in this box. Okay, here project, and the other one is for the date. If you want to enter the date, you can enter the date on which date you create the sheets. Okay, and here in the last you can enter the scale, on which scale we already created. This is 1:500, and we need to select this one and copy this one, select and Control C, okay, and paste here. Here is your company name and address. You can enter your company name and address here. Paste here and edit this text. Double click. Okay. Now you can enter your company name ABCD. Okay. And escape or click anywhere. Okay. This one is your company name and address you can enter, and in the other here you can enter a revision. How much is the revision? A1, A2, A3 or A0, and dates. And here you can enter the journal notes. Okay, what is the journal notes? We can enter the lines, anything you can enter. So dear student, I hope you guys learn from this video, and if you have any question regarding this video session, please throw comments in the comment box or contact me on my WhatsApp or email. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.